What's up guys, Jason here. In this video I'm going to be teaching you how to make a simple and efficient Minecraft cow farm. This farm works on 1.21 and on both Minecraft Bedrock Edition and Minecraft Java Edition. As you guys can see here, this farm produces a ton of leather and steak. For this farm, you'll need 2 chests, 1 hopper, 2 dispensers, 1 lava bucket, 1 water bucket, 1 piston, 3 buttons, 6 ladders, 1 trapdoor, 3 glass blocks, 1 slab, 1 observer, 1 sign, and finally about half a stack of solid blocks that don't burn. A couple examples of solid blocks that don't burn are smooth stone or cobblestone. The first step is to place 2 chests. After you have created the double chest, crouch down and place a hopper over here. Make sure the nozzle of that hopper is pointing that way towards that chest. That will be the collection system in this farm. That hopper will collect the items and funnel them into that collections chest. Now place 3 blocks over here, 3 over here, and 2 over here. Then place a dispenser at this spot. Make sure that the dispenser is facing this way. The next step is to place a block over here and then an observer at this spot. Make sure the top arrow of that observer is pointing that way towards that dispenser. At this point, if you play on Minecraft Java Edition, place a stone button over here. If you play on Minecraft Bedrock Edition, place a wood button over here. It's important that you place the correct button for the correct version for this farm to work. Now add a lava bucket to this dispenser. Whenever this button is pressed, lava will be automatically dispensed and picked up. That will cause all the adult cows in this bottom chamber to be automatically killed and cooked. The next step is to place a sign over here. Now place a slab at this spot and 3 glass blocks over here. The next step is to crouch down and place a block over here. Then place a dispenser at the spot. Make sure that dispenser is facing this way. Now crouch down and place a button behind that dispenser. Then add a water bucket to this dispenser. The next step is to place 3 blocks over here, 3 over here, and 1 over here. Then crouch down and place a block at this spot. After you have done that, place a trapdoor over here and open it. That trapdoor will separate the baby cows from the adult cows. That is because adult cows are too big to fall down there. The next step is to replace this block with a piston. Make sure that piston is facing this way. Now place a button over here. Whenever that button is pressed, that piston will extend and retract. That will push any baby cows that got stuck up here down over there. After you have done that, break this block. The next step is to bring at least 2 adult cows to this top chamber. I am now going to show you how you can easily do that in survival mode. To do that, first place 2 blocks over here, 2 over here, and 2 over here. Then do the same thing on this side. Place 2 blocks over here, 2 over here, and 2 over here. Now place 2 blocks over here. Then create a staircase from here to the ground. After you have done that, look for a cow. Then hold some wheat. That should cause the cow to follow you. Then walk up here. Once the cow comes up here, go over to this side. Then place 2 blocks over here. Now push the cow into that hole. You can then break these 2 blocks. Repeat that process until you have as many cows as you want in this chamber. By the way, if you want to get a lot of cows to use in this farm, I recommend you first dig a hole. Then lure 2 cows to this hole. Once you have 2 cows in this hole, you can breed them. You can continue breeding the cows until you have the amount of cows that you want. The more cows you bring to the top chamber of this farm, the more efficient the farm will be. If you play on Minecraft Bedrock Edition, the cows have a breeding cooldown of about 1 minute. If you play on Minecraft Java Edition, the cows have a breeding cooldown of about 5 minutes. Once you have the amount of cows you want in this hole, you can bring them over to the farm. Once you have the amount of cows you want in this top chamber, break these blocks. Once you are done placing those blocks, place 6 ladders over here. Those ladders will allow you to easily access this top part of the farm. I'm now going to do a quick fly around so you can check and make sure you've made this farm correctly. Up here, there should be this top cow chamber. Over there should be that dispenser. Down here, there should be that observer and that dispenser. By the way, if you play on Minecraft Java Edition, there should be a stone button instead of a wood button over there. Down here, there should be this collection system. This side of the farm should look like this. The back should have that piston. Finally, this side should have this ladder. I am now going to show you all how to use this farm. To use it, first press this button. That should cause water to be dispensed over there. Now go up here. Then breed these cows using wheat. After you're done breeding the cows, press this button. That should pick up the water. Then press this button back here. That'll push any baby cows stuck up here down there. Now go down here. As you guys can see there should be some baby cows in this bottom chamber. At this point, you can either wait for the baby cows to grow up naturally, or you can feed them some wheat to speed up their growth process. Once there's at least one adult cow in this bottom chamber, press this button. That will cause lava to be dispensed and picked up. The lava will automatically kill and cook the adult cows. As you guys can see there, the baby cows were not hurt. All the items are funneled down into this collections chest. As you guys can see there, the beef gets automatically cooked. If you want this farm to drop more loot at a time, you can kill the adult cows in this bottom chamber with a sword that is enchanted with Looting 3 and Fire Aspect 2. Looting 3 will give you more drops. Fire Aspect will automatically cook the meat. Once again, cows have a breeding cooldown. If you play on Minecraft Bedrock Edition, the breeding cooldown is about 1 minute. If you play on Minecraft Java Edition, the breeding cooldown is about 5 minutes. If this farm does not work for you and you play on Minecraft Java Edition, make sure you place a stone button instead of a wood button over there. I hope you all enjoyed learning how to make this simple and efficient Minecraft cow farm. Please like, comment, subscribe, and check out my other Minecraft videos. Thanks for watching.